Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking that you're signed into the Google account you want to fund. This matters because balance ties to the account. Once signed in, make sure you have a payment method ready, card, PayPal, or a physical gift card code, because you'll add funds or redeem immediately. Now open the Google Play app and tap your profile icon at top right, then choose Payments and Subscriptions. From there, select payment methods to begin adding balance or redeeming a code. Now you'll add the actual funds. If using a card, pick Add Credit or Add Payment Method, enter card number, expiration, CVC, and match the billing address. Banks may prompt verification, so complete any OTP quickly. If you're redeeming a gift card, choose Redeem Code, type the code exactly, spaces and dashes matter, and tap Redeem. The balance posts instantly in most regions. For PayPal, link and authorize the account. Once done, make sure the new method appears under Payment Methods before continuing. Finish by confirming your updated balance. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Budget and History to see the amount. Once done, you can use that balance for apps, movies, or in-app purchases. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes first, confirm your Play country, check payment limits, ensure billing address matches, and clear the Play Store cache and data. If balance is still missing after 24 hours, contact Google Payments Support. Have transaction receipts and account email ready to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.